Hello, little friends! Today we are going to learn numbers from 1 to 5. Come with me, let's have fun! Look, friends! This is the number 1. Only one sun! Can you say 1? And now we see the number 2. 2 birds! Let's count together. Chirp, chirp. And 1, 2. Say it with me. 2. Look, friends, these are 3 balls. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Let's understand number 3 even better. That's bedtime. When we have exactly 3 items together, we call it number 3. Hello, friends. Let's go for a soft walk. Hee hee, this is fun. La la la, walking along. Wow, very bad. Look, these are 4 little chicks. Let's count them. Wow! Let's understand number 4 more clearly.
Chick number 1, chick number 2, chick number 3, and chick number 4. When we count 4 items together, we get number 4. Look, friends, these are 5 starfish. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's learn number 5 even better. First starfish, fish. When there are 5 items, we call that number 5. Friends, look at these apples. They are in 2 small groups. Here are 3 apples, and here are 3 more apples. 3 and 3 together make 6. Look carefully. The apples are making the shape of number 6. This is how we write the number 6.
Now, we will learn number 7. Look, these colorful stones. We have 7 stones. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is number 7. Look at the cars. They are standing in pairs. 1 pair, 2 pairs, 3 pairs, 4 pairs. We have so many car toys. Here, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is number 8. Look at this square of blocks. 3 on the top, 3 in the middle, 3 at the bottom. 3 rows of 3 make 9 blocks. This is how we write number 9. This is number 9. Hello, everyone. Now we will learn a bigger number. Number 10. Let's use our hands. 5 fingers on this hand, and 5 fingers on this hand. 5 and 5 make 10 fingers.
Great job, little friends! Today we learned the numbers from 1 to 10.
You did amazing! I'm so proud of you.
It's time to say goodbye now. Thank you for learning with me today. Remember, keep smiling, keep learning, and keep counting.